Let's create. I have some goat meat and I'm going to prepare arroz con cabrito, or perhaps you can call it paella con cabra or con cabrito or goat paella. This goat meat is going to be delicious, and this is going to be a very simple recipe. So get a paella pan or a regular pan as long as I have about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inch deep. I have this medium high extra virgin olive oil, about a couple tablespoons. Put some sea salt. You can use any type of salt. This is an art, my friends. This is an art. And we're going to start first with the goat. And I don't have a lot of goat because I have some left for something else. I don't want to cook everything. And you're going to cook this baby. It's going to give it a nice color, okay? Make sure you cook every side. About 90 seconds later, I'm going to turn it around to the other side. Look at this color. Look at this color. See how nicely brown they are? And to the other side for about maybe 90 seconds. Another 90 seconds later, let me get them out here. Put in a plate. I'm going to scrape a little bit of the meat. And this is hot, by the way, so I reduce the heat to medium for now. So what I'm going to do, let's go with the green beans. I have some peas. Lima beans, like my daughter wants me to say it. I call it lima beans. But she said, Dad, call them lima beans. In English. Hey, I speak Spanish. Let's go Lima. Move it quickly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some artichoke. Move it fast. Look at its colors. About 4 or 5 teeth of garlic chopped. You don't want them to burn, so make sure you move them around. Now what you're going to do, I have a grated tomato, so I don't like to use tomato cans. And I have some smoked paprika. About a couple of teaspoons. And I'm going to mix everything together. Look at the colors, the aroma, everything. Oh, it smells so good. So what I'm going to do now, let me add this one here, is I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water, because I scraped the meat, the goat that I scraped with that oil, the 2 tablespoons of oil. It's going to mix, and it's creating some sort of broth. So I have 2.5 cups of water. Let me increase the heat to high. Move things around a little bit. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a quick taste. See if it needs more salt. Just a little bit more. To my taste. This is to my taste. And what I'm going to do next, get some of my Spanish saffron. Just put a handful of strings. I need to order more. Heating that base and everything together, getting it a little bit hot, you know, high heat. Because I'm going to add a cup of bomba rice. If you don't have bomba rice, go with a borio. You start distributing from the outside to the inside, okay? Going to use this, break it down a little bit. Going to leave it at high heat for about maybe 5-6 minutes, okay? About 5 minutes later, before everything evaporates, start adding your goat. But make sure you put the heat medium, maybe a couple notches below medium, okay? About 5 minutes later, I'm going to put some rosemary around to give this baby some aromatics. Just a little bit here, a little bit there. And I'm going to add a little bit of parsley around. Just a tiny bit, don't go crazy. Just a tiny bit. Tiny, tiny bit. And then I'm going to cover this baby. After I add a little bit of this parsley, just a tiny bit, what I'm going to do, I'm going to centralize the steam by covering this with aluminum foil. So the aromatics, flavors, and this steam is centralized. And I'm going to let it go for maybe 3 or 4 minutes, okay? 3 or 4 minutes later, ooh, look at this baby, huh? Look at this baby. Nice, nice.